Hello, and welcome to the itelligence quick demonstration of the it.rf transactions. The it.rf transactions are radio frequency transactions that build on top of the standard SAP radio frequency functionality that exists inside of the framework. First, we're going to transition to SAP and walk through this process. Now that we're in SAP, what we can see is the standard RF menu that SAP provides as a part of their base package. You see the four main sections are all standard SAP functionality, but what itelligence has noticed over doing many implementations is that there is additional functionality that's needed in order to perform basic RF functionalities, both for inventory management as well as warehouse management. That's what we're going to be walking through today. So we can simply select our it.rf function and walk through both inventory as well as warehouse management processes. We're going to go through a few inventory management processes first. As a part of this, now we can perform inbound, outbound, internal processes as well as inquiries or lookups. From an inbound side of things, we can do things such as receive against POs or purchases. We can receive things coming out of production. There's a multitude of additional functionality that we can utilize in order to make life easier for the people in our warehouse and in our inventory locations. For example, we can do a receipt by a purchase order. A user can simply enter or scan an individual PO as well as the line item that they're receiving against. They can use the function keys such as F4 to hit next and progress to the next screen. They can simply enter the quantity of the purchase they're receiving and then again use the F1 function key to hit save. That simple, that easy it can be for a user to receive in a purchase order utilizing the it.rf functionality that's provided. Another quick example would be utilizing this for production. So if instead of doing purchasing, we want to execute production orders, we can simply enter in or scan in a production order number. Once again, use the function keys to proceed, enter in the amount that we're actually producing in this case, and then lastly, go ahead and use the function key to hit save. That fast is really what we're looking for in getting out of the SAP landscape utilizing the it.rf functionality. Not only can you do this for inventory management transactions, but you can also do and execute this process for warehouse management as well. So now if instead of wanting to do simplified processes, we want to get more detailed in terms of bin level location and executing those tasks, we can perform those directly from here. So an example of an internal is doing a bin to bin transfer. So I want to take items that are in one location, move them to another, all while executing this on the mobile device. We can simply execute a bin transfer, scan the barcode of the item that we're wanting to move, select next, and now we can select the source information of where this item is currently, and then we can utilize the destination information to scan next. So the user scans the area that they're in, as well as the bin that they're pulling from. Then they hit next. And they can say now that the bin that they're moving to. So as they pick that item up or they're on their forklift and they move that individual item after they scan the shelving, they can then drive or walk to the next area, enter the location where they're moving it to, as well as the bin that they're executing it to, and then finally the amount that they've taken into that location. You can have a one-step or two-step process. In this case, we have a two-step. That transfer has been created, and now someone can go ahead and confirm that. You can also have this be a one-step process. Just to show you how easy the secondary step can be, we're going to go ahead and actually confirm that transfer as well. They simply type in that transfer that was just created, hit next, verify the source bin of where it's coming from, and then simply double check and re-enter the destination bin of where it's going as well as the quantity. They can then very easily hit save, and you see that transfer has now been confirmed. The goal of this tool is to really make it simple and easy for the user to execute those warehouse processes, but giving additional functionality on top of the base SAP product that is provided. For more information about the it.rf transactions or other itelligence proprietary items, please visit the itelligence ad store at adstore.itelligencegroup.com. Thank you.